Good evening, sir. Sure. Yes, sir. No worry. Okay. My name is Cherry Ilanan from Bugo City, Cebu. Is that all? Okay. I'm 41 years old and we only have uh, what kind of business? Mini store. Okay. Okay. Um, we start actually this business, the mini sari-sari store, no? Uh, we just started last the starting of pandemic. Pandemic. So that was 2020. So we started uh, only the meats, like for example the chicken, the frozen products, uh, because uh, that was the parang kasugan siya ba? The need, that was the need for the people because they cannot go out and the supermarket or the market I think was closed and only one person is allowed. So the good at our store is near in many houses. So it was a big privilege na we start this kind of business. Yeah, okay. Um, business is good, because I work as a customer associate, in LBC. So I was exposed about the customer service, how to deal with the customer, so how to interact the customer, how to communicate the customer. So I already have an idea about the customer service. So that motivates me on how to make my own business. Okay. Yes, this kind of business actually, this kind of business it has a lot of um, trials, especially today. No, maybe uh, we started from the time that we started after maybe 6 months. No, there are so many inggitira na mga silingan. So because they saw us that there are so many people na customers coming in our store. So that is why they also have build their own store, having their own store. So of course, no, parang na na nakuhaan po a little ang among customer. So we divided na sa una tanan mo palit ra diri because our our displays kana bitang mga necessary goods gid siya. So yeah, that was the started of our struggles. So more on if you have a struggle, just pray to the Lord. Yeah, just pray is the best way to overcome the struggles. Um, my goal, my focus, of course, number one is we have to wake up early in the morning because we have the family to feed in. No, we have the family. We also need nga kanang syempre para mahalinan, no? Para makasustain sa need po sa atong sa mga bata, sustain po sa atong pagkaon. So, hard work, no? Ang goal nato is kanang makasurvive lang daily. So, spiritually speaking, so we should not only focus on the kanabitang kanang tawhanon lang kanang view. So of course, first we have to set our mind. No, first kanang Christ must be the center. Christ must be the first. So kanang when you wake up in the morning, so you have to pray to the Lord uh, that the Lord also will send more customers to us, to us, and then guess more strength. Though life today is struggling, but we need the Lord's strength every day. So, ito, proud, success, success, success. So, actually, every day, parang, for me lang ha, the entrepreneur makes successful is, you have to make a good relationship to your customer. Uh, you have to be have a good communication with them. Bisan pa o the price is different, the price there's a difference. But if you have a good relationship with your customers, you have a customer service, good customer service, magbalik-balik gid ang customers. So every day, so para makaingon ko nga that is a big success for me nga ang mga customers balik-balik siya, no? San daghan na mi kaayo, daghan na kayo nagtapad-tapad ang tindahan diri. So yes, na siya. Good customer service.
Million. Million.
Okay. So for those who want to start a new business, so either you have big kanang murag kanang amount to start, or either you only have a little amount you start kanang mag-start a business. The most important thing is you have to focus what is your kanabang unsa gyud ang imong ay business. So dapat unaw mo na kanang how you kanabitang how will you sa tawagan ni know your product, dapat kabalo ka unsaon nimo pag sa ni pagbaligya. sa imong mga produkto, no? Sa unsa pa lang nga klase, dapat you will know how to offer your product, no? Kana ba tang kabalo jud ka, bisan mag love, wala, imo siyang i-love ba, imo siyang i-embrace nga mao jud ang maayo, maayo yung negosyo. So, and then hard work, no, hard work din siya. Kay kung wala hard work, san pagdahan kag kwarta, daghan kag puhunan, kung wala jud kay hard work sa imong business. So, it will kanang fail lagod po siya. And then, be wise. Ano ta? Wise siya. Especially karon limit sa mga utang sa mga tao. Limit sa mga utang sa mga tao. That's the reality good karon, no? Sa karon good na kapanahonan because it's crisis. So, hindi man siya to have a good relationship pero limit siya sa mga utang. And then be nice, be good, no? So, always smile. Okay.